channel. I hope you all are doing great. So before starting this video, I want to wish you guys a very happy new year 2019, and I really hope and wish that this year would be great for all of us. And this year I have decided to be a better version of myself. Let me know what's your new year resolution in the comment section below. And yes, I really hope कि ये साल बहुत अच्छा हो सबके लिए. And secondly, as you guys can notice that I have chopped my hair, but I love the change, guys. It's like new year, new look, and yes, I am actually in love with the length of my hair because this is the first time that मैंने अपने बाल इतने छोटे किए हैं because I've always had long hair in my life. And yeah, I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And without any more rambling, let's just get started with today's video. So today's video is all about Sarojini Nagar Hall, and this is the first time that I actually went there to shop some formal clothes, or you can say office wear / work wear. So I found some really nice pieces at amazing rates. I can't even tell you. I got blazers for like 100 rupees. Can you beat that? So this video is all about formal clothing haul from Sarojini Nagar. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. So the thing is that I did not go to Sarojini once. I actually went there twice. And ये जो मेरा haul है क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत सारा सामान है, just show you guys कि मेरे पास कितना बड़ा भारी बैग है सरोजनी के कपड़ों से भरा हुआ. So before starting with the formal clothing items, just wanted to show you एक दो छोटे मोटे ऐसे items which I have not bought for formal use. So the first thing that I got, you guys have seen it in my lookbook. I got this long trench coat. It's of a really nice blue color. It's a very long, not very long, but it's like above the knee. So it's like this trench coat. And I got this from Graffiti Lane. It's very warm. I got it for 300 bucks. As you guys can see, I got this coat only because of its color. I love it. Next up, I got this furry pajama. Love the print. It's of a grey color, and then it has this kisses all over. Kiss sign. What do we call that? Kiss emoji. Yeah. So yeah, I actually love wearing these sort of pajamas in winters like I'm wearing right now. Yeah, I mean, I wear these pajamas all the time, and yeah, this is the life of a YouTuber, all glammed up from the front, but you know, wearing pajamas. So this one I got for rupees 150 and so warm, so cozy. Now let's move on to formal wear. So the very first thing that I got is this long ass coat. I can't even tell you guys कि ये कितना लंबा है, but it looks really nice. So yes, this is how it looks like. It's so long. So it comes like below my knee if I'm not wrong. And yeah, I really like it. And again, this one is so warm, guys, and I got this only for 200 bucks, and I'm so happy about this. So next up I got is a blazer. It's a black blazer. It's not actually a dark jet black. It's like a charcoal sort of black, and it has a very nice texture to it. It's a warm blazer. So this is how it looks like. And yeah, this is great for formal wear, and I got this only for rupees 250 from shop number 94 if I'm not wrong. So basically that shop is on the left side of Kins, as I mentioned in my previous Sarojini Nagar video where I listed some of the nice shops for winters, like to shop winter clothes. So this one I got from that shop, and I really like this blazer. So the next thing that I got is again a blazer. It's a very warm dark green colored blazer. So it looks like this. I know it's not ironed properly, but you know, this is how the Sarojini Nagar clothes are. So you have to buy, and then you have to come home, wash them properly, and then iron it properly, and then wear it. So this one I got for rupees 100, and this one is super warm again. Okay, so next up I got a woolen skirt. It's a pencil skirt, and it looks like this. Love the pattern on it. Looks very formal and classy. I do not know कि मैंने कौन सी शॉप से लिया है, but मैंने उस शॉप के बारे में अपनी लास्ट वीडियो में बात करी थी. So it's like next to Incense, and वहाँ पे you will get some really nice formal and informal skirts. So I got it from there, and I got it just for 200 bucks. It fits me properly. It's a really nice formal skirt, you guys, and it's woolen as well, so it's great for winters. Just for 200 bucks, can you imagine? Love it. Next up, I got a very patla sa jumper sort of thing so that I can layer my blazer or something on top of it. So it looks like this. It's of a dark green color and it has sort of this pattern in the front, if you guys can see. So this one is for 100 rupees. It's of a really nice dark green color. So basically you can just, you know, layer your blazers or jackets on it, on top of it. So yeah, that's that. So next up I got another jumper and it looks like this. It's a black jumper slash sweater, whatever you want to call it. Again, I got it for, I just got it to layer my blazers on top of it. And this one was for 200 rupees. Yes, this one was for 200 and it is very thick and it's woolen and I love it. I mean, Sarojini Nagar is like a shopping heaven, you can say. So yeah, you'll get some really nice clothes over there. You just have to dig in and find some good pieces, that's it. So next up I got blazers again. So before showing you the blazers, just want to tell you guys that if you are looking for some really nice formal clothes, in Sarojini Nagar there is a shop on the left side of HDFC Bank का ATM. So HDFC Bank का ATM जहाँ पे है उसके just side में left side पे एक shop है. वहाँ पे guys you will find some really nice formal clothes which start from like 300, 350, but you can bargain it down to 200, 250 rupees. So from that shop I got this blazer and this is how it looks like. Got this only for rupees 250 and I really like the color. It's like a it's not white, it's not off-white, it's not cream, it's something like a very light shade of grey color, you can say, and really like it. Now from the same shop I got another blazer. So the next one looks like this. So basically it is of a black color, but it has these vertical white stripes on it. Again, looks very you know, nice and good for formal wear, I can say. So yeah, this one was also for rupees 250. Really like it. Next up I got a pair of trousers. So these are like very nice and formal trousers, but the only thing is that when I tried them, like when I came home and tried them, these are a bit tight because of my belly fat. I have belly fat, yes. Because of my belly fat it is tight, otherwise the waist and everything is perfect. It's just that because of my belly fat it doesn't fit me properly. And I have decided, I have promised myself that no matter what I will work hard and I will fit into these trousers in the next 3 months. So yes, I will try my best to reduce my belly fat. So this is how it looks like, just for 200. Love it, but can't wear it right now. So next up I got another blazer and this is for just 100 rupees and it looks like this. So this is like a beige color blazer with brown checks on it and I really like the pattern. Looks very formal. So yeah, 100 rupees में I found this from वो गोल गोल वाले stalls होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे I found this. So that was the second last item of the haul, and the last item of this haul is this wine colored coat. Again, this is like not that long, but it's like just above my knees. And yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like the color, got it only because of the color, and you won't believe the price guys. I got it only for 150 rupees. And yeah, it looks so pretty. Again, if you iron it properly, it's gonna look perfect. And yeah, really happy with the purchase. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And to watch more such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on all my social medias. Links would be in the description box below for you guys. And yes, I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, you all stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.